Yeah, it don't hurt nothing. It doesn't bite, doesn't it tickle.
Can we put him on your head?
No. Put him on your nose?
Okay.
No, okay. You're a very big boy.
Say, yay, Mommy, I did it.
Mommy, I did it.
Look at it, the butt going babaloo.
Oh, God.
Butt's going babaloo.
Yeah, myself.
What, you, Billy?
Look at mine. Oh, I did it.
Banana.
That'll work.
Hey, you know how to see the bug.
Show me the bug.
Give me about 2 seconds. Watch this.
Yeah, I want to.
Huh?
Wait, let's watch it.
You get it off.
No.
You. Okay. Hey. Bugs don't hurt. Look at this. Look at that stuff.
He loves you.
No?
He loves you.
No? You put your
Can I
nose?
name him Ricardo Montalban?
Sure. Watch this.
Hi. Papa Carl ate it.
What?
Ew. No.
What's this? He was in your ear.
No.
It's okay.
You tickle. You tickle. Can I keep him?
Yeah. Okay. We'll go by when the car's parked.
No, I mean I want him to be on my shoulder.